So it's that time of year again. That's when I go on the annual sailing trip with the guys, and I've done all kinds of projects and quick things. So this year I thought, I saw something at Costco, and it was essentially these barbecue tools where when you start using it on the barbecue, it'll wear out and it cleans off the grease, etc. So it gets presented like this, and I thought I'll leave that on. It's original. And what I'll do is I'll etch the sailing trip where we're going on the bay, and then it's our 10th anniversary basically, and then the guys' names on each one of the individual names. So I'll do that really quickly, and in the video I'll do a close-up just showing you what I'm doing. So the first thing to do is just grab a piece of wood. This is softer than that wood, but it gives us an indication. I've got, you know, the old rules, they don't show the software online. I've got the set up. Toll 2018 means trip of a lifetime 2018, and I've got the setup right here, and I'll press go, and I've got it set slow. So this is a 40-watt laser, and I've got it set at 99% power. The machines from Permaboss do not go up to 100% because I make them, and I don't want them to go up to 100% because the staff who don't pay them are the ones who are using it, and I don't want them to do crazy things. So why, if you can barely see a difference, would you choose that? So here we go. Let's zoom into there. And trip of a lifetime 2018, and established in 2008. So I'll take the first one here. On this side, I'll put the Toll 2018 here, and then the bay over here. So I'll set that up again, and I'm just placing it center on the wood. Because I have that red box, it's so easy to shoot that and line it up and go. And I'll get the next one out, just take these sleeves off. As soon as that red box comes back on, you're ready to do the next one. We've got that nice etch right over here, Toll 2018. Got it? I'll do these handles, then I'll do one of the actual symbols on here, and then we can do a close-up of the rest of them. Main point of the video is that you see how easy it is to do stuff really quickly all the time. The setup's never a big deal. Different grains of wood, different parts of the wood have different results with the laser, because the harder the grain, or if there's a knot, it doesn't go as deep as where it's softer. I was just thinking that the laser's so fast, it's great for people like me who have grown up with undiagnosed ADD, because you got to do something every second, you got to switch all the time. And after this one, I've got to pull up a different file. All we did was take a vector file. I just took a snapshot of the bay, Georgian Bay in Ontario, Canada, and had it outlined, and then put on the major spots we've been to. And at this point, after 10 years, we're going to no major spots, where it's very, you know, reclusive and hard to get in and see all the places you can't see unless you have a boat. So that's the last one done. There's 5 of us. I get to make my own. And as soon as this is over, I'll open up the file. So that one here is different wood. I'm going to shoot that one more time. Maybe that'll be mine, because it'll be even better and deeper. Yeah, so I just want to make this one deeper. Just look different because that wood happened to be a different grain. Good. So they're all done. Switch out of here. Open up the file. We have to go backwards here. Georgian Bay wood. And I'll set it up, but I'll do it on the wood first. So I've got that blank piece. This is an easy way to test. So we'll do this one, then we'll stop the camera, and then we'll do a close-up of it. And I think that's really cool, especially because if things go wrong, I mean, there's only one barbecue on this boat, but if things go really wrong, it can really like get out of trouble if there's 5 of us paddling. Have a steak and then paddle to shore. This will be cool to watch up close, actually. Now it's going to do the names of the cities, the towns. I mean, these are little tiny places. Where we start, where we go to. We're not going to go to all these ones this year, but those are the key places we went to. So that's it there if you take a good look. So this is Midland, Perry Sound, Honey Harbor. Killarney is the one way up top here before the North Channel, and then Owen Sound is over here somewhere, one of these little spots. So I'll turn this over here. Line this baby up. I'm going to put it up as high as I can go so that when you wear out the tool itself, it'll be there the longest period of time. And just square it up with my eyes and I'm ready to go. So what we can do is we'll stop the camera and I'll just continue this, but you'll see what's going on when you come in here up close. So just finished the one. We're going right to the next one here. Easy setup. Doesn't have to be totally perfect to the millimeter, but you could always make a jig. I just got to do 5 of them and press go. The only reason the smoke's coming out is because we lifted up the hood so far and the suction is further away, so it's harder to get to the smoke because I want to get the camera underneath the lens over here. So normally you wouldn't see this much smoke. And this is live, like this is nothing sped up. This is actually how quick it takes or how long it takes to do things, and it's that quick. If you did this on a plotter laser, it's harder to register. You couldn't freestyle it, as I call it, just lay something in and do the next one like this fast and press go and basically get to the next one, the next one, the next one. And the only thing I have to do after this is put the guys' names on it. The little flare-ups are the CO2 burning, the residue of the smoke, etc. It's kind of cool to watch. Now you wouldn't put this high in production because you don't need your hands to go in there, but for filming purposes we kept it this high. And notice that it's darker on this piece of wood than the last piece. So there's your switch right here. And I'm working on an angle because the camera's in my way. So if you're standing in front of the machine with no obstruction, it's a lot easier to do it. One of the cool things with the laser is you can make things that don't exist, that are completely custom, and we live in a world where everything's a commodity. So when you customize something, you can ask a lot more money for it. So imagine if these were made overseas and I didn't buy them retail. I think they were just $20 retail each for the 5 guys, including myself. But if I bought it wholesale and put the laser on it, you could charge probably $30 and you get $10 for the decoration, maybe $6, maybe $7. But you're going to get the money because nobody else can produce it, and it's a 1-up, 2-up. Or if you do it for a company and they want, you know, hundreds of them, then obviously you're doing it in a matter of seconds. So it's highly profitable and easy to make money with. So that's the last one here, and we can back off the camera again, or we'll leave it here. We'll do a name up close, but I'll just switch the file over. Again, don't worry about the smoke coming out. There's a hot summer day here. The warehouse door is open and the lid is very high. When this is down, it's getting smoke sucked right into the fan and out of the building. Down to the last stages here. And it never fails that I do this at the last minute, hours before I have to leave, go to the boat. That's what they say, shoemakers' kids don't have shoes, right? So A-Rob is me. And why is it A-Rob? because of Austrian Rob, because there's another Rob who's the captain of the boat. There we go. This is the part where you can't make a mistake. You don't want to do two of the same thing. Done. So I'll go out of this folder and I gotta pick captain. Ooh, that's a bit big, huh? Is that gonna fit in there? Interesting. Captain Railton. Why don't we put it right over here instead? Do it right here. Now, all I'm going to do, because the paddle is sticking way off the edge, I am going to basically, and I could have put that, actually I could put the names might be big enough for the handle, all of them there, just taking a look at that. Exit out. So I put that last one probably in the wrong spot. Not this one, not the Captain Railton, the A-Rob one, mine. So it's always good to do mine first to figure stuff out. So again, this is what I got in the retail store, and it's explaining how you use it. And all I did was take it out, I add the laser, added 3 customization spots for my buddies, put it in a different way, and I have a phenomenal gift. That's how that goes. Here's the second one. For one of the guys, same thing, put it in here. And I will go, just not to duplicate, go in the software. Carl. That in. Again, that metal plate is just to prevent that from sliding or moving off, because the most of the weight is now off the edge there. And it's just a simple way to improvise really quickly. Uh-oh, first mistake. I put Rob on the Carl side. Thank God we can sand that off, okay? I was looking for it over here. So Carl, Todd, set that up. And that's basically it. So that's that demo. You can make quick GIFs, do cool things, and you're set up and ready to go. So catch you later on another video.